So how goes the stud finding?
Probably right here. Those pencil marks. You see all these? I didn't do them. They were there before.
Yeah.
I wonder which one was the last one.
Jeez.
Why is that doing that?
Why didn't you erase the previous one so you know which ones are yours?
Oh.
You know, you could look for the pencil colored marks. Maybe those will be yours.
Okay.
What are you thinking?
That's mine. Erase these. Oh. Let's make it a mess.
The pencil one of them old dried out erasers.
Where's that nail? Oh. Got a nail in here.
In your fine tool collection. Your tap hammer.
Okay. Oops. Better check this.
Yeah, you're gonna level it out too.
Oh, I didn't think of that. I was just gonna put some holes in the wall. Oh, that's not where I marked it. You're right, I am gonna put some holes in the wall. Should this go slanting or straight? It's a screw, probably straight.
Alright.
Oh.
If it's like a picture nail, you know, then you could angle it. Unless you're, you know, if it's into anything, you ain't got to worry about it pulling out.
Uh-oh. Where was that? Was that here? It was there.
Be the one with the hole, not just the pencil mark.
Oh, I don't have a screwdriver. Oh, the screwdriver isn't out here anymore. It's in the living room.
Not the toolbox?
Well, let's see if the screwdriver works. It works. Oh, was it? I think it was this one. Whew, heavy dryer. Oh, there's two holes. I did one. Pete's sakes.
Well, once you got one, you can do the other one. Just hold the hook up there and you can mark where the other hole is.
Where do I want to go? Oh, this dryer's hot.
Finger marks the spot.
Yes.
And so what are the... How come these things aren't on there and you're nailing these?
What?
I guess I don't understand what you're doing.
Well, I'm making a hole. I can't put a screw in the wall unless I make a hole first. I'm not that strong.
Look at me not putting the hook on there and then putting the screw through the hook.
Because I gotta get it started.
Oh, Jesus. you're starting it into drywall.
I hope not.
Yeah, there's drywall before you hit wood.
Oh.
And as long as those screws are, you probably it's going to be probably half or more of that screws going to be in the drywall.
Oh boy, I hope the drywall holds. Is the fire gonna go off? Just overheating. Oh, that's good and strong. Oh.
So you didn't involve Jason or anybody else? This is all your own planning?
It is, but now
Yeah.
I don't know how to make the other hook exactly in the same level. Oh wait, I need a level.
Looks like a good tool cabinet. I'd keep my tools in there.
Yes. It's in the vegetable cupboard. That's where I keep my tools.
That's where the best tools are kept. Yeah, keep the tool thieves away.
That's right. I'll never look in the vegetable cupboard.
No, I wouldn't either. They'd be totally lost to me.
That's like really straight. Oops. Okay. Oops.
You could just set it in there. As long as it's sitting in there, fine. You can just leave it in the bottom of the thing. Get your pencil ready. Make a mark.
But it goes up more. I'll measure it.
What's your-
It goes up like that far.
It's where the screw holes are going to go. As long as they're level. You know, once you put in one screw, you can...
I gotta put the hook in.
Unreal.
That's pretty straight. It's good enough for me.
Did you mark it?
Whew.
You watch a lot of Tool Time with Bob Vila?
None.
Some ideas, you know?
None.
None is this,
You probably don't use a hammer like I do. Nobody uses a hammer like I do.
no, that's a tap claw hammer.
That's right.
All tuckered up from all that
Oh
tapping,
my
huh?
gosh, can't do this. My neck hurts.
Wow. There's a new hammer and it caused such terrible
The
neck
hammer's
injuries.
heavy.
Why don't you move the basket that you're leaning on out of your way? And that way you wouldn't have to lean so much.
It's holding me up.
I thought the dryer was doing that. Yeah. Tap method. Tap hammer method. It's incredible.
You've never seen anybody hammer like me?
Well, little kids.
Tap, tap.
You know, with their plastic hammers and stuff. No, you got a technique, you know, that I can tell you've worked many minutes on. Hey, you could ask me, I would have had this thing.
Oh shit!
Oh god, that's what I do.
dropped the screw.
That's one of my favorite things to do. Oh no, should I take we take a time out here and I'll retrieve the screw?
Oh, it's a mess down there. I don't even see the screw down there.
Do you know what it looks like?
It's like this.
You don't have to tell me. It's you know what it looks like.
Uh-oh.
Do you have an extra screw?
No, they only gave me 4.
I didn't count on you pulling a Augenstein and dropping it.
That's right.
And well, if you decide to take a time out, I can look for it.
I'm gonna, after I put this in. Uh-oh. I don't know if that hole's gonna line up.
It's alright, as long as it lines up.
Oh boy. I just don't see it anywhere.
Well, it's white. Find it?
Yes.
Don't drop it a second time.
Huh?
Don't drop it a second time. I'm trying to jinx her.
Oh boy, the hole don't line up at all.
No, just make another one.
Well, then it's going to be really big. I wonder if this is even straight. Does it look straight?
If you would just put the level across the 2 screws, you'd be able to tell.
What?
Or level, you set the level on top of the screws.
I can't.
Oh, that's alright.
I don't know.
As long as it's close, you'll be alright. It's not so much that's gonna...
Oh boy.
I was up there tapping 6 screws or 8 nails and took 12 minutes. This is going to be a good 15-20 minute job to put 4 screws in.
Are you kidding?
Oh.
Oh, that's not real tight.
You're at 14 minutes already.
Well, I dropped it.
That's true.
Whew.
That probably took 10 minutes there. Alright, now here comes the test.
It's straight. The level shows it's straight. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow, I did it.
You are right. Now you gotta try your bass. Oh, just look at that.
How about that?
All that instead of just a hook for it. You could have hung that thing on one of the hooks, really.
I see.
Well, not with the basket in the way, but
Yeah, like that.
yeah, you could put I've seen people use those baskets and hang them on there to put like detergent in. You know,
I was
like,
gonna put something else in there.
yeah.
I was gonna put.
You know, like these, like the little detergent things, like
No, I was
Calgons
gonna
or
put
whatever.
the electric screwdriver in there, but it's broke.
Oh.
So I don't know what I'll put in there.
I don't know. That's quite a construction
I guess I'll just
operation
put
there.
The saucepan in there for now.
I know that fits real good.
And then if anything else comes up, I'll put it in there.
Basket out of the dishwashing machine to put a dustpan in, hung by 2 hooks. Any one of the hooks could have hung the dustpan by itself.
Yeah. That's true.
The job well done there, though, blonde woodworker, construction person.